buckle, buckle, buckle,
buckling, buckled, buckles.
Noun. 1.
Fastener that fastens together two ends of a belt or strap. Often has loose prong.
2.
A shape distorted by twisting or folding.
verb,
1.
Fasten with a buckle or buckles.
2.
Fold or collapse.
3.
Bend out of shape, as under pressure or from heat.
Listen and practice.
The highway buckled during the heat wave. The highway buckled during the heat wave. He wore a belt with a large brass buckle. He wore a belt with a large brass buckle. A door slammed in the house and a man came out buckling his belt. A door slammed in the house and a man came out buckling his belt.
buckle.